Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing video of the Lumiford Max N60 wireless earphones. Now these things boast of their additional bass capabilities, as is clearly mentioned. It comes in a thick cardboard packaging, so it feels a little premium. On one side, we have some of the features being mentioned, which is more to do with the bass, again, to do with the bass and pairing technologies. The same thing is being stated on the other side as well. Coming to the rear, we don't see a lot much mentioned. There's the specification chart for this particular headset and the pricing sticker and everything else. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. Now, because this is kind of premium than most of the headsets that we find in this price range, you have the branding on the left and another plastic cover over the earphones. You can pull that open. Then you have the earphones themselves within the plastic clamshell packaging. We'll remove this and keep it on the side. Underneath the clamshell, you have some additional items. We'll pull that out as well. And keep this to the side. First up, we have the user manual. This will have all the operations, the modes, the buttons, how you can play around with them, and also it'll state different LED functions that are present on the device and how you can read the mode. It also states how you can factory reset the device. It's always interesting, and you should always read the user manual. Aside from that, you have a charging cable. This one happens to be USB micro to USB type A. It's about 10 odd centimeters long. We'll keep this on the side. Then you have replacement earbuds. These are usually in large and small sizes because the medium ones are usually installed on the headset itself. And lastly, you have the Lumiford Max N60 wireless Bluetooth headset. It's got pods on either side. These are slightly weighted. The control pod is a little lower. It's separate. It has the volume control, the play pause button in the center. The charging port is on the side. It opens up with a small rubber seal on the top. And then you have the pair of earphones themselves. This one has magnetic backing, so it's easier to keep them together. And you can also see a little band that goes into the grooves of your ears. Helps for a better fit overall. And that's it for the unboxing of the Lumiford Max N60 Bluetooth wireless earphones. If you'd like us to do similar unboxings of audio products in the future, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.